So today I thought I would show you how I curl my hair with an old-fashioned, old-school curling iron. So I just washed my hair, I blew it out. Now it's gonna need some texture in it because it's dead straight hair. So today I'm gonna be using Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tapioca dry shampoo. So I have something for the curl to actually hold on to. When you have stick, straight hair, it's really, really difficult for a curl to have anything to hold on to. Okay, now I'm just gonna comb out my hair. I like to do a middle parting to start. There is construction going on in my apartment building, so please excuse, you're gonna hear hammering, but I figured, oh well, hey, what are we gonna do? Oh my God, you guys, I'm having another hot flash. This is not great for a video, is it, when you're having continuous hot flashes? But this is actually real. Okay, so I'm gonna take a big piece. Top clamp, and then get the hair, leave the clamp open and start wrapping 2, 3. And then twist it. Now, if you can keep the wrap nice and straight, mine actually got twisted, so that's going to change the look of the wave, but ideally you want to keep the hair nice and straight. Maybe I can show you that the next time. And then pull her out and let her sit. There she goes. Let's try that on the other side. I did it a little bit already before the hot flash came. So I'll show you again. Clamp on top. Keep the clamp open and wrap the hair. Now, if you can keep the hair straight without twisting, that's ideal, but it's kind of hard to do. So it tends to automatically twist up on you, so just do the best that you can. Leave it for 10, 15 seconds, depending on how your hair is, and then I just leave it like that, and I move on to the second section. Now, if you guys have more time, you can definitely make smaller sections, but as you know, I'm constantly rushing. Actually, my daughter's waiting for me right now. We're gonna go to Japantown and get like onigiris, and then see my mom. Oh, love it. So don't touch it when it comes out, just leave it. Let it sit and cool, just like anytime you're curling your hair. Okay, again, clamp on top, hold the clamp open, and twist that hair in there. There we go. And again, if the whole thing doesn't get in there, no biggie. It looks kind of cute straight at the bottom, and that's definitely the kind of beachy way that I'm trying to go for. Now, you guys, I have so many hair videos here on YouTube, so go ahead and check them out under my Stung hairstyles. And I also have Stung hairstyles on my Instagram, IGTV, so if you don't follow me there, please do. I put so much more content every day, whereas YouTube, I try to get something up to you every Saturday, but the way I've been sleeping with the menopause lately, it's not happening. So when you're filming videos, you guys, you actually have to be like awake and in a good mood, or else it's really hard to film for you guys. So if you haven't slept, it gets a little dicey. All right, so once you get the hair clamped in there, you can kind of turn it and tweak it. And again, I'm letting this all cool. I hope I won't have another hot flash, but generally they come every 20 minutes, so 20 to a half an hour, so I think I'm okay. I've gotten so much more used to them. When I first started getting them at night, I would like literally like take all my clothes off and throw them on the ground. And then afterwards I'd be freezing, so I'd have to put them all back on. And now I have a fan next to my bed, and I have learned how to not have to take all my clothes off. I just kind of have a light t-shirt, and that works well. So I'm definitely learning how to tolerate them a little bit more. Well, I could probably straighten this, curl this one a little bit more. This is so fun. So they're still warm to the touch, and you really want to make sure that they're cool to the touch before you even start taking them apart. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do now is just go right here on the top section, the crown of the head. It's already been curled, but I want to get a little bit more volume in there. So I'm going to take the top and again, pull it all the way, twist it. Now, if you can get the hair straight, that's ideal, but if you can't, don't worry about it. Then tuck and hold. So this is just like old school hairstyles, the old school iron that you've been using since 7th grade. I started curling my hair in like 7th grade. What is that, like you're 13? And now I'm 50, still doing it. All right, I'm just gonna go over these parts right in the front because I wanna add a little something. So I'm gonna start about 1/4 of the way down just to get that extra little kink curl in there. Careful, these irons get really hot, so be really gentle. I actually burned myself yesterday. Yeah, I'll have a scar. Oh well. So I go about 1/4 of the way down when I'm going around the second time. Not like hitting straight up at the forehead, but about 1 inch down. And let her go. So those are just giving you a little extra, and I'm always gonna add a little extra around the sides. Let's do one here. I like to comb it a little bit. And yeah, that's my wet brush that broke. I love it so much that I'm gonna keep using it broke until I buy a new one. Actually, you can get wet brush at Walgreens even for $10. This is my wet brush. It's changed the game for girls with straight hair and tangly hair. I will never use anything else again. Okay, so this is pretty much how I leave it. And then I'm gonna want to let that cool. I love this iron because it's got a lock on it. There, and then the lock goes off. And so when you hit the buttons, it doesn't go up and down, the temperature doesn't start changing on you. All right, now that you have it like this, and you wanna let it cool down. So actually, use a fan. By the way, speaking of hot flashes, if you have a blow dryer and you have a cool setting, like spend extra money on a blow dryer that stays in a cool setting, not just the little boost, but that you can actually click it on cool setting because it is amazing for cooling you down in a hot flash, and that's just a little trick of the trade. My all-time favorite hairspray, and it's Lock It Bulk Controlled Hairspray, 48-hour hold by Loreal. Just gonna go ahead and, they're still a little warm to the touch, but I'm just gonna hold them up, spray them out a little bit, especially around the front. That one in the back. And let them chill. Get a little more here. I like to hold my hair right here so I get some volume right there. Now I've let the whole thing, it's still not completely cool, but I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna use my fingers, and this is key, don't brush it out, especially if you have hard to curl hair. There we go. Shake it. You can pull the pieces out a little bit in the front here. But yeah, that is the final look. And I hope you guys really like this video. It's short and sweet, how I do my hair on the regular. If you guys like these hair videos, go ahead and put a comment below. Let me know what you think. But also, if you want to see more, I have the whole Stung hair playlist that you can click on. And I have a variety of different ways to get the beachy look with curling wands, different kinds of hair tools to get this beachy look. And I also have my one that's most popular, which is no heat overnight curls, which people love. So I'll go ahead and link that in this video. And again, hope you guys love it. And remember, you can have anything you want, just how bad you want it. All right, you guys. Bye. Love this.